Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja is now in the eye of the shady 7.8 billion shilling Kenya Medical Supplies Authority procurement storm. In a heated parliamentary hearing at Parliament buildings, suspended KEMSA CEO Jonah Manjari was also accused of illegally issuing tender commitment letters to companies that neither qualified nor delivered items worth billions of shillings. NTV's Seth Olale reports that the Senate Ad Hoc Committee on COVID-19 response wants KEMSA to channel its COVID-19 medical supplies worth billions of shillings to counties before they expire.
KEMSA Director of Procurement Charles Juma told the National Assembly Public Investment Committee investigating the 7.8 billion shillings COVID scandal that his secretary Pamela Kaburu told him that he saw Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja at CEO Jonah Manjari's office, where she had gone to submit a commitment letter for a company called Shop and Buy.
From the information from the secretary, that she found the Honorable Sakaja was seated there.
Okay.
So I don't know whether it was the letter was for him or, but that's the person she met there.
According to documents presented before the Parliamentary Committee, Shop and Buy Limited was awarded tender to deliver KEMSA goods worth 907 million shillings. They include 100,000 personal protective kits worth 9,000 shillings each and a further 100,000 KN95 face masks costing 700 shillings per unit. However, the Parliamentary Committee learned that the tender commitment letter to Shop and Buy Limited was issued on June 5th, but controversially backdated to April 30th.
We did not do retrospective procurement for this because the date they were given to supply, they delayed. They were not able to work. But when the letter was not even also cancelled, they were given an extension by the CEO.
Other companies listed as irregular acquiring the commitment letters from the Chief Executive's office at KEMSA include Everywhere Distributors and Wallabies.
He told me that what they informed him, if you don't do what we are telling you, and then you can even find that you have disappeared. So it's like he was telling me.
He told you that you find yourself disappeared.
He told him that they told him he can disappear. So he was telling me, Mr. Juma, you don't know.
Why, if that was the case, why didn't you just simply either, one, resign?
KEMSA's suspended commercial director Eliud Mureithi had a hard time explaining to legislators why he overstocked expensive COVID-19 medical supplies from scrupulous suppliers, knowing very well it would be a challenge distributing the stock to counties. The Senate Ad Hoc Committee on COVID-19 response inspected the over 5 billion shillings worth of COVID-19 supply stock lying at KEMSA warehouses in Embakasi and urged Health CS Mutahi Kagwe to authorize distribution of the supplies to counties that are in dire need of them to curb the spread of the pandemic.
If they continue to keep quiet and these items stay here longer, then KEMSA will lose more because the prices are coming down.
It's more than 4 months now since the 7.8 billion shillings KEMSA investigations began, yet the parliamentary hearings have now turned into a circus of blame games. In the meantime, the number of those being infected is increasing due to the dead stock that is lying at the KEMSA warehouses. Seth Olale, NTV at the Parliament buildings, Nairobi County.